I didn't ask for you to record me. I didn't okay for that.
Well, can I have your okay?
No,
Okay, why not?
because I didn't want to be recorded.
Well, you're speaking with me. You're up here in the
Can
front.
you leave?
This is my thing. I didn't ask for your permission. You didn't ask my permission to take a picture of me, so you have a right to delete that right now.
Oh, can I have your permission?
No, you don't.
And well, hold on. I'm
Yeah,
talking. You
we
keep
help
you keep interjecting.
No,
If
but
you,
you were misinterpreting what I'm saying. We help people.
no, I'm not misinterpreting. I'm telling you you're wrong. Is what I'm telling you. Which at the same time could or couldn't be
help
right.
you with, or?
No, not for now. No,
Okay.
we should be good.
All right.
Thanks. Let's see if we can get how far we can get a shot back there.
No. Sorry.
Kind of like check that out. You talking to me?
Yeah.
What was it?
You can't try to videotape over the cubicles.
Why is that?
Because it's the DOJ. It's private. There's a lot of private information here. And I
What
didn't
was it?
agree for you to be recording me. So can you put
Ma'am,
that away?
I can't. I don't hear well. I'm
Can
trying to
put
hear
that
you.
away? I didn't ask for you to record me. I didn't okay for that.
Well, can I have your okay?
No,
Okay, why not?
because I didn't want to be recorded.
Well, you're speaking with me. You're up here in the
Can
front.
you leave?
Huh?
Can you leave? This is the DOJ.
Okay. What? I don't understand what that means.
This is not a public area.
Yeah, it clearly is. This is a public help window that's open from 8 to 4.
It's not a public area.
How is it not? I was just let in, and this is a help
Asked you
window.
to leave.
You think you can ask somebody to leave from a public help window?
It's not a public help window.
Well, who do you guys
Was
help
it
here?
locked
Who
when
do
came
who do you
in?
guys help here?
We do licensing for the gambling agencies.
From 8 to 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's public. So I don't get it. And I would appreciate a little less attitude as well. Thank you.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
how's it going?
I'm good.
Good. Do you mind if I go out in the lobby?
Yeah, you could talk to me here if you want.
Is there a reason why you're recording or?
Oh, well, of course, yeah. You never do anything without a reason, right?
Well, I'm just curious.
Mm-hmm.
Is everything
Yep.
okay? Can I help you with something? Or
Yeah,
can I help you with anything?
Yeah, I was just trying to get some records, request some records here, in a second. But,
Okay.
other than that, I'm just taking some pictures and video and
Okay. What kind of records
about
were
it.
you looking for?
public records.
Okay. Well,
Mhm.
you would have to go through like our PRA request to
Right.
get our records.
Right.
So you can do that online if you need to.
Right, or I can do it in person as well, yeah.
Yeah, but this is not where we keep it. You would have to submit your request online.
No, I could submit my request here, and then you guys would, the onus would be on you guys to forward that wherever it's supposed to go. Yeah,
But if
it's
you-
right in the law. We can do them in person.
Okay, but then
Mm-hmm.
if we can't get them to you today, we'd probably get them to you at some point if it's not possible.
For sure,
today.
yeah, because in the law it gives you guys 10 days to respond.
Okay.
Yeah, and then there's like a 2-week extension built into it if need be, and
Okay.
yep, so on and so forth.
Awesome. So you submitted already or?
No. I was hitting the button to get some help, but they're afraid. I guess cameras are really scary,
They can be scary sometimes, yes, I can see that. but to some people, it might
to
be.
corrupt people maybe, but if there's nothing to hide, shouldn't be afraid of the camera, right?
Sure.
But yeah, other than that, I'll just be taking some pictures and video, and then I'll request my records, and then I'll probably be done.
Okay, but you're not done it yet? You haven't requested it yet?
Not yet,
Okay,
no.
just keep in mind, we do close at 5, so if it is that you are trying to get your records, just make sure you do that before you leave.
Yeah, for sure.
But also you could do that online as well.
Of
So
course.
Make it easier
Mhm.
for yourself.
Yep.
So, all right.
Awesome. Thank
Okay.
you. Can I get your guys' name so I know who I spoke with?
Yeah, my name's Stephanie.
Okay. What's your position?
I'm a supervisor here.
Supervisor.
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's.
And
I have a question. How did you get in this area? Did they let you in?
I hit the button
And they let you-
and they opened the door. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, this is a public area, right?
This area is not outside. There is. This is a private area.
How is
That's
this?
why you
How
have
is
to be
this
buzzed
private?
You have to be buzzed in to get into this area.
I know, but you guys help members of the public here, right?
Correct.
This is a help window.
Yes.
So this is a public lobby.
But we can also decline to help you. That's why this
No,
is a
you.
private area.
Why would you be able to decline to help somebody? You
It's
guys
just
work
like,
for the
it's
public.
just like it's just like going anywhere. It's just like going anywhere. Like if you go into a restaurant, they can decline your
Yeah.
service. And
So I think what you're doing is you're mistaking public for private, right?
Right.
In the public sector, the public businesses
Right.
do not, or the public entities, you guys are really public services,
Mm-hmm.
do not have the ability to decline anybody's service. And that's just under the law because we pay taxes for you guys to exist.
Gotcha.
So if I go to a restaurant and they don't want to help me, true, they can decline it. But that's why I was wondering why the door is even locked. The door should be wide open for the public to come in here and get records or file applications or whatever. So we are going to push on the Attorney General to get this door unlocked because you guys have bulletproof glass and a whole lobby. This should be open to the public from 8 to 5 when you guys are open. So you just don't confuse public with private.
You could totally, do that.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
Yeah.
That's partly why I record because I take this video, I show how everybody acted and like hiding behind doors and all this weird stuff they're doing.
It's not hiding.
And well, no, they've been hiding. Like I have video of people literally hiding and acting crazy. But and we show them, hey, why is our public lobby locked? This is an open public lobby. There's help windows right here. You guys are open from 8 to whatever. So
Let me try to get
please
you that
don't.
form so that I can get that. You can, be on your way. So you can definitely request whatever records you need to get. So let me try to see if I can find
For
that
sure.
for you, and then I can get you on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have you guys write it
Okay.
down. But
I'll look
don't
for that for you.
don't confuse
So-
public with private. You guys cannot deny somebody's service. You guys do not have that right. Ma'am, can I have your name so I know who spoke with me? Ma'am? Yeah, I need your name so I know who spoke with me.
Yeah, my name is Sean.
And what's her name? And then her name.
They can give you theirs, yeah.
Well, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah. Give them first.
It's public record. I mean, I'm going to get your name, your salary, your paycheck stubs. Like, I'm going to get all kind of information about you, so. You're going to refuse to identify yourself according to your policy? Okay, there goes the complaint. I'm all in for California. You can see it up there on the sign. It's like a flag. I'm all in for California.
You're not supposed to be filming, hon.
Excuse me?
You're not supposed to be filming.
I'm sorry, I'm hard of hearing.
You're not supposed to be filming.
Oh, really? Why not?
That's not permitted here
Why is that?
because it's not.
Well, I mean, but do we know why, or do you know why, or
It's not. It's illegal.
it's illegal?
Yes.
Well, what
This
kind
is
of
a
office?
Courthouse.
Oh, this is a court office?
Yes.
Okay, it's not illegal, but there is a court rule. I didn't know it was a court office. Okay, cool. Somebody's looking for me.
Yes.
Who's looking for me?
What are you filming
I'm just doing a story
on?
on this building, the whole state. Why?
Well, I'm just wondering because, we don't let people just, I know it's public, but filming around, we don't permit any filming in the courtrooms or anything.
Oh yeah, I didn't go in a courtroom.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, I didn't even know this had anything to do with court. It doesn't say it anywhere.
Okay.
So it says workers' compensation. I'm like, oh, okay. District office. So it doesn't seem like it's a court.
Well, it's
office.
administrative court, so administrative hearings.
Is there a judge's order signed?
What do you mean? I'm
Well-
the presiding judge, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So California Rule .1.1.150, you have to have an order signed saying that people can't record. Do you
Well,
have
it's
an
actually in our
order?
regulations.
Huh?
It's in our regulations.
So California Court Rule 1.150 says that it can be restricted in courtrooms,
In the
right?
courtrooms, yeah.
Right, but you also have, one, I didn't go in a courtroom, but you also have to have the order signed, right? Like there has to be something that's saying, because it just says you can. It doesn't say it's mandatory or that it's a crime or anything like that. It just says it can. So that's why I'm asking if you guys have an order signed for it. That, and I'm not going to go in a courtroom, right? I was just checking out the lobby, so.
Okay, no. What I'm saying is we are the court, so.
I understand.
And in our regulations, has specifically said to the, filming in the courtrooms, so.
And I'm not planning on going in a courtroom. Like I said, I know the court rule very well, but like I said, the court rule says you guys can restrict it. It doesn't say that it is restricted. That's why I asked if you guys have an order signed by you or another judge that restricts it. Because in order to make that valid, there has to be an order, right? Yeah.
Well, no, it's in our regulations which regulate our premises and what we do.
So what regulations would those be? Because I'm citing the California court rule, right? 1.150, yeah.
No, I'm not talking about the courtroom, I'm talking about corporate, California regulations, in which we are an administrative body and we have to follow the regulations as for our operation. And I'll look it up for you.
Well, I want to look it up. I like information, you know what I mean? So that's why I was asking, what is it or where is it, so that I can look it up. Because I know the court rule very well, right? And like I said, it says that courts can restrict it in the courtroom. It doesn't say that it does. And in order for them to restrict it, you guys would have to have an order signed by the judge. But when you're saying it's in the regulations, I'm going, well, which ones I want to see it. You know what I mean? Not that I'm in a way where I'm like, you're wrong, I want to see it, but just for my own knowledge, right? So that's why I'm asking. Is it something called, is something I can Google, California court regulations, or?
Well, I'll try and look it up for you right now.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't be here much longer, maybe 5 minutes, if that. This is clearly, this isn't a courtroom, right? Do we have court in here?
The issue is, these gentlemen here are talking about their personal matters, about court-related stuff, and their lawyers and judges.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we prefer you not recording here, because they are discussing.
Yeah, but
their own matters.
prefer is not, I mean, that's,
Yeah, but
it would just be up to me
it's
at
their
that point.
privacy, so.
Yeah. Well, that's why, like, the matters that they, you know, anything personal should be handled,
Yeah, they're
you
also
know,
not
quietly.
consenting to
Or
the video, so that's another issue.
consenting to the video?
Yes.
Did you hear them say they're not consenting to the video, or are you just guessing?
I'm pretty sure they don't want you to.
I mean, none of that matters anyways, right? You know that? Yeah. So that's just a weird comment. One, two things. I always keep random members of the public off my camera if possible. So like right now, the only thing that's on is you, and then I can see over this way. But that's just my own personal policy, because these guys are just going about their business, doing their day, and I don't know them, they don't know me, and I'm not interested in them. My story is about the state of California, so. But consent, you don't need consent in California to record in public areas.
All right,
Zero.
Can you just go out to the hallway, please? Because we got to discuss some stuff that doesn't need to be recorded.
Well, I'm waiting for the judge. Where's he gonna go
We're
to?
from here. I know what you're saying right here. It's just there's an interpreter and talking a lot of the gentleman about his case. So
Okay.
please don't record that. So you could just step out in the hallway.
Well, again, I try to keep them off.
I understand,
I
but
can
have your audio and
record it,
We don't
Right.
want his stuff to go out.
which is
We're
why they
YouTube
shouldn't
channel,
talk about
whatever
it.
you're gonna do.
Yeah, that's why they shouldn't talk about it out in the public
Okay, well,
spot, right?
If you could,
What if there was like 20 people in here? Would you guys tell them to all go out? See what I'm saying?
don't make it complicated. Just go to the hallway.
Don't do what?
Don't make it complicated. Just go to the hallway so they could this guy can go by his day.
Well, I have no problem doing that, but I'm more concerned with what you're doing and the way you're thinking, right? Because for
Come
some
on, come on,
reason,
let's walk over here. Come
some reason you think I
Come
have
on,
to
come
listen
on.
to you, right? And I
Yes, come
don't.
on, man. Come on.
I don't. I mean, I just want to be clear. I
It's not
don't
trying
have
boss you
to.
around you. It's just,
Well,
just let them get their job done. all
You
right?
kind of did, and it seems like you feel like we have to, right? And I'm trying to get you to understand that's not the case.
Get their day going. I'm not.
I know, and so it's more. I mean, like I said, I could go stand in there and listen to the whole thing. It's more to point out, like, why would they be doing something like that, right? Why would the staff here have somebody saying their public information all out in the open in front of everybody? Whether I have a camera or not doesn't matter, right? So when you say, hey, go out so they can do this, you know, for me, I'm like, I can tell you no, just very easily.
Just
Yeah.
don't make it hard.
I mean, I'm asking you not to make it hard. I'm recording. Just don't try to tell me where I can and can't record. I know very well where I can be and not be, you know. So I feel like you're making it hard on me. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Yeah, quick question.
Huh?
Are you filming
Oh, yeah.
state?
Come again?
Are you filming for the state purpose?
For the state?
Yeah,
Like as if...
Are you a worker with the state?
Oh, no. Mm-mm. I'm just a member of the public.
Okay, so
Yeah,
what
no,
are
I'm
you-
not. I'm not filming for the state at all.
So what are you filming?
Just everything I can see. Yeah.
Okay, because this is CD, I mean, we don't usually, this is not the public, this is our office in here.
Oh, I'm not in there. Yeah, I'm not in the office. I have no intention of going in there.
So what is your purpose, I guess, I just wanna know. Are you here with CDSS? I mean,
No, like I said, I'm just a member of the public. I'm not here. I'm here to
Specific
film.
partner?
I'm here to film. Yeah. So
okay, I'll check with our security to make sure that, you know.
Yeah.
What what would be the problem?
There's no problem. We just, because we've never had this. Maybe Jill could help.
With, as I'm listening.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. It's okay, check with, building management. He said he's with the public, just filming different suites.
Okay, I'll call.
Yeah.
So first off, as I'm coming through, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
Oh, I don't want my picture taken.
Oh, I got it. I have to.
Delete it right now, because I'm not taking
No,
it.
no. I can't do that. It's against my policy. I always record.
Well, this is my thing. I didn't ask for your permission. You didn't ask my permission to take a picture of me, so you have a right to delete that right now.
Oh, can I have your permission?
No, you don't.
Okay. So I don't technically need it, just so you know. I don't really need your permission.
You're gonna delete it, and I'm gonna call building management right now. because
I'm
you did
not.
ask us to do it.
Yeah, I'm not going to delete it. I'm sorry, ma'am. I hope you have a better day. Please don't be grumpy. There's nothing I can do to help you with
We got a
that.
guy in here filming our office. I'm hoping that you can transfer me over to Janet or Anthony.
Okay.
We have a guy in our office filming our.
Let's get in the
our office
conversation.
without
I'm not trying to
permission.
be on her. Filming an office without permission. What permission would you need to be in a public
Oh,
office?
he's using a phone, and I'm looking right at him, and he's taking a picture of me without my permission. And then we're gonna, thank you, and we're gonna turn around and call security. Thank you, you're appreciated.
So I don't understand
No,
the
because
picture.
you're not asking my permission, you're automatically taking advantage of that situation, and we're not asking your permission for it to be taken up. You did not, under California law, have me sign any document saying you could take my picture.
And I
I'm
don't
not
need
going
to. Yeah.
Take that either. You're gonna delete my picture right now, and I'm calling security as we speak.
Ma'am, I can promise you I'm
No,
not going to
you're
delete.
You're gonna promise me nothing. You're
I
gonna
just-
delete my picture because that's offensive when you take somebody's picture without their permission, and it's actually against my culture for you to take my picture.
Well, I'm sorry about that, but we're in the
And I'm
public.
taking no for an answer, and I'm putting my feet in the
Okay.
dirt on this.
I mean, you can try. Like I'm trying to educate you about
You're
it.
not gonna educate me over nothing.
I'm not. You're smart. You're smarter than everybody.
You want to step away from me?
Yes, ma'am, did you
Yeah.
call security?
This is crazy. We'll
Now,
get
I'm not
some.
asking for my picture to be taken one more time, forgive me, because it's actually against my culture being indigenous. So the next thing that comes to my mind is, what services are you requesting?
Here in a minute, I'm going to. So what I was trying to get you to understand
I
earlier.
don't understand you taking my picture without my permission and me signing a document.
I don't need you to sign a document, ma'am. I'm press. I don't have to ask for anything, right?
You can say that to me now.
I don't have to convey anything to you.
Yes, you do.
I think you're wrong, and they just told you you're wrong.
No, I'm not.
So
Just
okay.
to be honest with you, I'm not. So we're gonna take this
Okay.
to Sacramento, so my question is, what services are you requesting that has to do with adult and senior care?
You're doing what?
What services are you requesting that has to do with adult and senior?
Oh, I'm
care?
asking what you were saying before you said that.
I said, no, I don't. You have to sign a document in order to have my permission taken.
It's not true. You
Yes,
can
it is.
record
Don't
anything you
argue
can
with
see
me
from
because I
public.
am the worst person to debate with.
Huh?
I am the single worst person to debate with.
Why? Is it because you're knowledgeable, or is it because you just don't want to learn?
No, it's because I don't want my picture taken, and it's actually a crime on what you're doing at the moment.
It's not. So I'll say it's because you're not knowledgeable, right? And I'm
I'll
trying to
let
help
think
you.
that because I'm not here to justify my experience with you.
I'm trying to help you be knowledgeable.
No, you're not.
You're a state worker. We can come check up on you at any time. You are under public scrutiny, so.
Thank you.
No.
I appreciate you for that
So I
one.
would
Do me
just-
a
I would
favor,
just-
tell
I
Harper.
am. Just walk away. Because all he's gonna do is put it online.
Okay,
The sooner you stop talking to him, the sooner he stops.
thank you for, how did
So
you find this
somebody
information?
just told him to stop talking to me because all he's going to do is put it online. So I strongly suggest you guys take my records request and don't deny me services because we will have your job there, Fester. That's Uncle Fester right there. Hi. I need to do a public records request with you guys.
Okay, so you send that to us. I mean, what are you looking for specifically?
There's going to be a lot of employee information documents, but yeah, that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to, yes, a
Okay,
PRA,
I
correct.
can give you the website. We do that online.
Yeah, but we can do it in person because
I
in
don't don't think we'll be able, I can
In
check for you if you want to have a seat.
in the law, it says written or verbal. So I can't verbally do it online, right? That's why we can come in person and
So
do
what are
it.
you, what
So-
PRA do you want to look at?
Well,
As far as our employees, that would be through our Sacramento main office.
Right.
But what we
So-
do as CDSS, the facilities we license, if you're requesting to look history for that, you can request that.
what I do is I'd request it here, and the onus would be on you guys to get it wherever it needs to go. I just come. That's why this is a help window. I come here. I say I want to do a public records request. You guys write it
What
down.
are you requesting though? Do you know
If
what our
whenever
agency
you're ready
does?
to write it down, I'll tell you. But I don't want to spit it all off, and then you don't even write it down,
Do
right?
you know what our agency does? What exactly would you be requesting? I mean,
I told you it's going to be employee documents.
Okay, those we will not be providing here.
Ma'am, you're just completely 100% wrong. You guys, the state has no say so. They have to provide it, and
If
because
you want to have a seat, I'll find out.
Because-
This is all new for me.
okay, I understand because you guys would be this office would be considered the document holders, right? Even if you didn't have the documents, the employees I'm requesting work here. It's going to be a lot of your information, that other lady, and the guy who was just speaking with you guys. So I need to request all those documents, emails, and all kind of stuff.
You could have a seat, I'll find out, okay?
Oh, I'll be here. It's
I
pointless.
did check. What you could do is leave your information.
Oh no, I don't leave my info.
Yeah, I do not have that information. We don't provide our employees all that. I have to check with our Sacramento office first, our personnel, to see what we could provide.
So the law says basically there's 10 days to answer the PRA request.
Okay, so.
That's why we file them and then I come back in 10 days. I'm not going to leave my information. I'm doing it anonymously.
Okay, well, you
but-
said, I mean, right now I will not have that information.
I'm not asking for it right now. Like I said, the law says 10 days.
Okay.
But what you guys do have to do is take the records request.
Okay.
So I'm just telling you that in an abundance of caution, because if you guys say, well, we're not going to take it, you clear your information and I'm not going to take it, what you will in effect do is open up the state of California to a lawsuit, and I can just easily have my lawyers sue at that point, and then you're giving away public money for free. That's not the smartest thing to do.
So that's why I'm
So-
saying, go ahead and give me your information.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If you want to write, you could write it down. That's why I give it verbal, right? Verbally.
What is your name?
It's anonymous.
Okay.
I'm going to make it anonymous.
Okay, and where do I send it to?
I'll come back in 10 business days. You guys have 10 business days. I'll come back in those business days and pick up the initial response.
And what are you picking, what exactly did you need from us?
So I would like your full name,
Okay, full name,
your
Uh-huh.
salary,
okay,
a copy of your last 2 paycheck stubs, most recent. I would like your state issued email address.
okay,
And I want a copy of all emails you sent or received for the dates of August 21st through August 25th of 2025.
okay.
Did you take an oath of office by any chance?
I've been an employee for 25 plus years, so I don't remember.
You don't remember?
So
Yeah.
I'm sure I did.
So if you took an oath of office, I'll take a copy of the oath of office.
If on file, okay.
Yep, if on file. And that'll be it. That's the general information I want for all 3 of you guys. So I want it for you. I want it for the gentleman who spoke with you guys. I want it for Jill.
Okay.
And the other lady that was in here, I don't need it for because she wasn't mentioned in the information that I got. So,
3 employees, okay.
yep. So it's all that information
Today
for
is the 22nd, so I will
correct.
forward this to the appropriate person, and then we will see, okay?
Awesome. Thank you
you.
very much.
You're welcome.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Anything I can help you with?
No,
Okay.
I'm good. Thank you.
I can't have you take pictures of that one. That has information on it.
Oh, okay. I
Our
just
phone numbers.
seen it out.
You want a blank one? You can have a blank one.
No, I had already got it. I'll probably end up getting copies of all those,
Okay,
anyways.
that's
But
client information though, so we don't share that.
right, yeah, because it's a record. So if I requested it, I'll just get copies of them, which I'll probably end up doing.
No, we wouldn't give you contact information though for clients. We give you what's public record, but not contact.
And that would be the sign-in sheet would be public record, yeah.
No, it wouldn't.
Well, I mean, you can argue it, but if I put it in, I guarantee that it would come to
We
me.
don't give you records to our school system. We wouldn't give you records on what we hold here.
That's not true at all.
That's Public Record Act, so.
Right, like I get all your information right off the Public Record Act.
Yeah, not from us though.
Yeah.
We wouldn't provide that to you.
Yeah.
That's not what we do. You can talk to our public office, but that wouldn't be what we would give to you in this office.
Yeah,
We only provide you record sets or something related to projects.
that's incorrect. So I could file a Public Records Act request
Not
here,
through us, through our main.
right through here. Yeah, ran
Not through
the.
us, though. If you did that through us, we would only provide you our jurisdiction. So our main headquarters would give you anything outside of that, because we're only jurisdict Oakland. So Oakland would only provide you with the records we pertain to.
It wouldn't even matter if I filed a public record request here. Sign-in sheets are public record. Employee information is public record.
Employee information.
Your last, I just said these sign-in sheets are public record. Your last 2 paycheck stubs, if I wanted to request those, I could.
That's
Like,
fine.
there's all kind of
That's not
stuff.
right here, though. So if you're gonna disrupt us, we can
Who's
leave.
disrupting
You're
you?
disrupting me on work right here.
Then work.
Yeah,
You
because
started.
disrupting and just recording me for no reason.
You started speak. I wasn't even
Yeah, no,
focused
because
on
I
you
can't
until you
share
started to speak to me.
Contact information with you.
Well, then why was it out in the middle of the public?
I just
Anyways,
signed somebody in, that's why.
and then it should be hidden. So I don't know what to tell you.
Okay.
Do you go ahead? Do your thing. I don't need nothing from you.
Well, clearly you do if you're in here recording, right?
No,
Yeah, so what are you recording for if you don't need information?
I'm just working on something. Like I said, is a record, public record that we can get. Hi, how are you?
Hello.
So it just doesn't make any sense, but I find it funny.
Can I ask you a question? Because I've heard that a few of my officers, as well as the building management, I'm just asking just to please, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I have issues with that because I had something happen to me, so please don't record me, please.
Oh, I'm recording. Yeah.
Okay, but I've had something happen, so that's a trigger for me. So please don't do that for me. Just turn it that way. You can just hear me.
I mean, you're more than welcome to walk away. Yeah.
Okay, but the thing is, we've had complaints about you coming here and going to different floors recording. They're at work. I understand your First Amendment rights. I get all that. But when people are at work and it's looking a little disturbing that you're standing there just recording, I don't know if you're getting any type of help or assistance from them, but they're just asking not to be recorded. I'm not sure what you're doing, but you've been on the 3rd floor, the 4th floor, on several floors. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna contact CHP so you can have a conversation with them, because I'm not sure what's going on, and I've been getting complaints left and right, okay?
Have fun. I don't know
So
what
I'm
to
just
tell
letting
you.
you know.
Go ahead. They're just gonna tell you. They probably won't even come.
But the
They'll
thing
probably
is,
just tell you there's nothing we can do.
I understand that, but you're
So-
just making it uncomfortable for the workers. They're at work.
Oh,
You're
well.
standing up there not really talking or getting any assistance from them. So that is a little disturbing.
Who said I'm not getting assistance from them?
If you've been
I
to
already
the
filed a
floor,
public
the
records.
third floor,
I've been
the
to
fourth
every floor.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm just trying to understand. We've just been getting complaints. So I'm just going to notify them.
Okay. Have fun. Have fun with it.
You too.
Yep. Take care.
Like, why are you recording? Can you like not?
What was it?
Can you not record us?
No, well, one, I wasn't really focusing on you until I heard you guys talking about me. I was actually pointing back there. But yeah, I record everything. I'm always recording.
Well, can you not?
I have to. It's my policy, right? I'm working on a story,
Raise
so.
your camera another way.
What was that?
Can you turn your camera the other way?
No.
No.
No, yeah, I'm taking pictures back here.
For what?
I'm working on, I just said this, I'll say it again for you. I'm working on a story.
I don't give a damn.
Well, then I don't give a damn either. Go be on your way. Continue to take my pictures, and this lady can just bounce. Like, I don't know what. She's like, got a little attitude. I don't give a damn.
We work here. We can't just bounce.
Well,
We love to.
get comfortable with it then.
I'm sorry, I think you need to get permission for this.
What permission would I need?
You need to go through the proper procedure to get public recording.
So what permission would you need?
There's a process right there, I believe, for public record requests, but he said he's not gonna request one. He's just here recording.
I did not say I'm not going to request one at all.
But I asked you if you needed help and you told me no.
Yeah, not right now. Yeah, I'm getting my shots. I'm getting the shots I need first. Yeah, and then I may or may not request records. But
So you're standing there for no reason, like I said.
I mean, I have a reason. It might not be a reason that you like, but I have my reason. Yeah. What would be a procedure for public recording? What would be the procedure?
You have to go through like our website and get all the information and go through the process properly and then request permission so that everything can be recorded accordingly.
So you have to request permission to exercise a constitutional right? Is that what you're saying?
No, I think
It's kind of what you just said.
well.
You know, I wouldn't have to ask permission to use a right that I have, right?
All right, let me give me a second. I'll come back.
Yeah, I mean, I know you might want to go look up for you. I know I can record in here. It's a public office.
Yeah.
The police couldn't even remove me from in here. So.
Yeah, but also, what is your purpose here actually?
Well, like I just told the ladies, I'm working on a story, and so right now I'm recording. I'm getting my shots, what I need, and then I may or may not request some records. But my purpose right now is just to record, take pictures, still photos is what I'm doing. So.
Okay. Why don't you? Well, let me go back and take a look at some of the formal things that you have to go through.
But I mean, there's nothing formal I have to go through. If you want to go educate yourself on it, go ahead. I don't need any information from you. I'm not asking for any. I have a 100% absolute right to record in here. It's a right that's guaranteed by the Constitution. So that's it, right? It's that simple. Like it, don't like it, uncomfortable, comfortable. I don't know what to tell you guys. Get a job in the private sector, and then you wouldn't be under public scrutiny like that because it'd be a private company. But this is a public company. We pay all your guys' salary. And if we want to come scrutinize you guys and watch what you're doing and how you act and things like that, whatever we're doing, we have a right to do it. So that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Cool.
Hi, sir. Is there anything I can help you with?
No, I'm good. Should be good.
We do have people come up to our window.
Okay.
And we don't want anyone deterred away. And also our staff here, like this is kind of impeding on us providing our public services. They walk past here, we gotta make copies, there's information we might be walking past with. So can you just please stop recording right here?
No, I can't. I have to get shots right here. But I don't see how I wouldn't be stopping anybody from being able to get help right
yes,
here.
because they come with sensitive information. So you will be, because people come here and it's like one-on-one, so.
But if there's people out here waiting, it's definitely not one-on-one, right? Like.
Usually they just come one at a time, but they do have information they provide that's personal to them.
Right.
So we do assist at this window.
Right.
And we do walk around with documents, we make copies here. So you are impeding on the staff here with recording.
No, I'm not impeding anybody. Like I said, if somebody's at this window and they're doing business and there's somebody else in here, they could be being recorded.
There's not someone else in here. No.
They could
we
be
wouldn't
listening.
have someone recording,
No, they could
if
though.
someone is in
They-
here. But this is where we do our public work.
Right, public. That's the key word, public. So it's public. So if there was some sensitive information, well, hold on. I'm talking. You keep interjecting.
No,
If
but
you
you are misinterpreting what I'm saying. We help.
No, I'm not misinterpreting. I'm telling you you're wrong is what I'm telling you. If somebody's up here doing any type of work with you guys and there's somebody else sitting back here, they could be recording, they could be hearing any of the information. If you guys are walking by and flashing.
Discuss personal information in front of others.
Okay, so then it shouldn't be a problem.
Provide your date of birth. That's things that we discuss. That's personal information.
Right.
That's not subject to anyone else other than a Public Records Act request. So if you need anything, I can show you how to submit that request.
No, I know how. But yeah, if you guys, it's your guys' job to keep the information private. So this is a public area. We could be here recording.
If you're recording what we do, this is our jobs. And
Right.
so we're,
And I'm definitely
they're
watching you guys do
impeding
your
on
job.
us doing our jobs.
That's not the
Somebody
way it
can
works.
just
Yeah.
contact security, because we right now this. I mean, you can record out in the main lobby. That's fine. But right here, like this is inside our work area.
So, well, what is this? This is the main lobby.
But this window and your camera in here, this is, we don't want, we have mail here, like I just worry for, in protection of other.
Well, just like this, like I could take pictures of these, which I already have earlier.
I'm sure, but this is, that is actually non-information that we.
That's a public document. Yeah, it's a public record right there.
You'd have to request it per Public Records Act request.
I know, but what I'm saying is it's on you guys to hide the information. I'm not impeding you by having a camera. I could record.
It's making staff uncomfortable.
Okay, legally, I'm not.
You're making staff uncomfortable. You're saying
Okay.
it's not making our team that.
No, I'm
walk
saying.
to work. I don't want to come walk out here because we don't want to be on camera.
What I'm saying is your guys' feelings about not wanting to be on camera don't trump the fact that I have the right to record you guys while you're at work. If you guys didn't want to be on camera, if you guys didn't want to be on camera, you guys should work in the private sector somewhere. But the fact is, you guys work for the public sector. The public can come scrutinize you guys anytime we want.
I cannot step inside here. That is.
I haven't stepped inside. Yeah.
No, I know because it's locked. But I'm saying you can't record us while we're working at our desk. No, that is not.
I can record. The way the law works is I can record anything I can see. The way the law works is I can record anything I can see from a public area. So you're right. This is a state building. You guys work for the public. I'm in a public area. I can see into this public area, this private area as you're calling it, and I can record that area.
People who are going to come in that we assist. Okay, we just want to protect our applicants that come in here. You're recording, record away. But with our applicants, that is impeding. We don't want someone to see you and deter them like, I can't get help because this man's recording. So that.
Well, then take them to a private area to help them, right? Like that would be on you guys. The problem.
This is where we help them. No one can come in here.
Well, that would be on you guys to problem solve, right? That's the way the law works. Is I can record in a public area. I'm going to. How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm Jerry. I'm working here.
I don't shake hands. How you
Okay,
doing?
I'm doing good. Hey, how are you?
COVID and all that.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah, I'm good.
I see you taking videos here.
Yeah. Yep.
May I ask, what is this for?
Just something I'm working on. Yeah.
You're working on?
What'd you say?
Is that something you're working on?
Yeah, something I'm working on. Yep.
Can I ask, what is that a project?
I can't give too much info.
You can't get too much info.
Yeah, I try to keep it more. What's the word I'm looking for? Confidential.
Confidential. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool. I just want to, do a checking and see if you need any assistance.
Nope, nothing right now.
Nothing right now?
Just looking at the forms and look around a little bit.
Okay.
And that's, so far that'll be it.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna be right here. If you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Cool. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Don't see any,
Yeah, he can.
nothing else
It's
in here.
personal information.
I see one right there. I see something right there.
It is said that you cannot record in here.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Yeah, because personal information is being discussed, names are being said, and then it's like, so you can't record that.
Oh, well, it's doing it out in the open in the public, right?
No, those people there are talking something personal, and you cannot record it.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm over here. I'm not over there.
So still information get to your phone, right? You have a microphone and everything.
Well, I have ears too. I could listen, and I'd hear the same information like we're all hearing, right? So, but I'm not getting anybody's personal info.
Yeah. So are you doing this recording for some?
Yeah. For a reason?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I have a reason. Yeah, for sure.
You're from certain authority or some?
No, I'm just a member of the public.
Okay.
A normal member of the public.
I'll just call my manager.
Okay. Yeah. Do your thing, bro.
So I see these videos all the time. Basic, we tried, just like I said, but he's still.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm all right. How about you?
I'm good.
Awesome.
Staff don't feel comfortable with you taking video. You're not authorized to take video here, so would you mind leaving, please?
Why am I not
Well, it's a public place. If
So
you-
that's,
if
is
you-
that why I'm not authorized? I'm just
What-
trying to get to
what-
like why.
Well, I haven't received authorization that a camera crew would be here authorized to take video. That's what I'm saying. I don't know that you're authorized to be here.
Oh, but like you said, it's a public place, right?
It is, and so staff don't feel comfortable with you taking their their images without permission.
Oh, I didn't take any of the staff. I'm not checking the staff at all. I'm actually just getting the papers and the signs on the walls. That's kind of what I'm looking for, like the public information, all the documents and forms and stuff like that. So that's what I'm looking for. But like you said, it's a public place. Like it's all open to the public. We're open to the public, right? So.
Yes, we're open to the public, but. So can we see the information that you're taking? So I can verify that that's what you've done and that you don't have any of the staff on camera? And ladies, you guys can go back to your desk.
I was trying to,
Okay.
Yeah, so like as far as the patrons, I have not got them on camera, and I don't. Like I for sure keep them off camera.
Patron over there said he's been taking videos of the parking lot and the cars as well, so she's very upset over there at window number 2.
Okay, thank you.
I walked through the parking lot recording,
Okay,
but yeah.
so can we see the video to confirm that you have not done that?
I have not done what?
Taking pictures of license plates, other.
Well, so like I said, we're in
patrons.
public. This is all public information, right? It's all just out in the public. It's your job, guys' job, to protect any information you have from them, from people that are here or whatever.
Absolutely.
Right, and so any members of the public can come in here, correct?
Absolutely.
Therefore, I can come in here and I can record while I'm here, right?
I don't know that that's accurate.
Yeah, well, and I can tell you why it's accurate.
Sure.
So we have a First Amendment to the Constitution, right? Freedom of press, freedom of speech. This is covered under that in public areas. So, and the staff can be recorded as well, because there's case laws that say any public servants, public employees can be video recorded, audio recorded in the course of their duties as a public employee, right? So.
Hi. Hi.
But like I said, I always ensure that I don't get any children, or any patrons that are here doing business. I always ensure that they're not on it. But you guys will definitely be on it. Security will be on it. Like I said, all the forums and stuff I'm recording. But the people here that are just normal, random private citizens going about their day, they won't be on it, and neither will their information. So.
Okay, so how long do you anticipate being here, and are you?
What time do you guys close? It said 4. Probably a couple hours.
A couple of hours.
Yeah, probably about a couple hours. Maybe an hour, 2 hours, yeah.
And what's the purpose of you being here?
Like I said, I'm just gathering information. I can't give too much because I don't want to compromise what I'm doing, but just gathering information in the office.
Okay.
And where would this be posted?
It may or may not be posted. I'm not sure.
Okay. We will check and get back with you. You'll be here.
Do your thing. I'll make sure I keep off the private people that are here. They won't be on my camera.
Thank you.
And it's just my policy to do that.
Do you have a card or anything?
I don't, actually. I don't have one on me. I didn't bring one.
Okay, and your name is?
Jay.
Jay.
Yep.
Jay, we need to get in touch with you. Is there a way for us to reach you?
No, I don't give that information. Like I said, I make it confidential.
Okay, it's confidential.
Yep. What's up, buddy?
They will call you if you want to go up for
Excuse
staff.
me.
You just have to stay here.
No,
until they
yeah,
call
so
you.
for me, I don't want to be on camera. You don't have my permission or my consent to record me.
Yeah, so I don't need it, but I can.
No, you do. You do. And I'm telling you, with consent, you don't have my consent to record me on camera.
Yeah, I don't. Like I'm saying, I don't need it. But what I was trying to say is, I can avoid recording you if you'd like. Okay.